Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe and hit. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Cyril Ramaphosa. The former EFF chairperson Dali Mpofu has provoked ANC President Cyril Ramaphosa after the ruling party suffered bruising defeats in two major Gauteng metros. The ANC lost the mayorship in both Ekurhuleni and the city of Johannesburg after the EFF teamed up with Action SA and other opposition parties to vote for the DA candidates. This despite the DA saying it will not enter into a coalition or canvass votes with the EFF and did not want to work with it. Action SA leader Mashaba said it was now up to the DA to show maturity to listen and consider other parties who voted for it. He said he will be open to working with the DA, but they should be aware that the EFF will also be present. Dali Mpofu took it to Twitter and mocked the ANC. He wrote, "Where on earth is Cyril Ramaphosa? The best ANC leader of all time, at least according to the #Tumamina media group, #The New Dawn, #Ramaphosa. He also took shots at the DA leadership, saying there's a big difference between those playing chess and those busy with drafts or checkers. He tweeted, "The side bus John Umalusi, Stenhayson and Mrs. Helen. There's a big difference between those playing chess and those busy with drafts or checkers." Are you happy with the new mayors at Ekurhuleni and the city of Johannesburg? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Financial loves you. Bye, good people.